How to unlock Cash App Green status. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to unlock Cash App Green status. Open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, where you will see several options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, tap on the bank icon that appears here. Once you do that, you will land on the Money section of Cash App. On this page, you will see several options that you can use to access money-related issues. From them, you will see one named Cash App Green. Make sure you tap on it. On this page, Cash App is showing you the benefits of the Cash App Green status. To qualify, you need to spend at least $500 every month using your Cash App card. Once eligible, you can receive 5 custom cashback offers every Friday, along with benefits like free overdrafts, 3.25% interest, and more features on your account. So go ahead and do the necessary. And when you reach the threshold, Cash App will notify you that you have qualified to get the green status. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to unlock Cash App Green status.